Before we wind up the news at this hour, let's bring you up to date with one more story here where leaders are now asking national government to provide security for non-local teachers working in Marsabit County to travel back home as a somber mood engulfed the burial of a 28-year-old teacher who was killed in Marsabit County earlier this month. Jeremy Ayapayan was shot dead on July 8th as he came from work at Forole Primary School in Marsabit County where he was working as a teacher. The mourners and leaders have expressed fear that lives of about 100 teachers who are residents of Samburu County are at risk due to ongoing insecurity. Samburu Women Representative Maison Leshomo asked national government to exempt teachers from Samburu County in a delocalization program and allow residents of Samburu County to teach in their own county.
Kuuliza serikali kama ingewezekana waturejeshe watoto wetu wakimaliza masomo waachwe wafanye kazi katika kaunti yao, kwa sababu hii ni uchungu sana. Kupoteza mtu hajafika miaka 30 ni uchungu sana kwetu, na ambaye ndio alikuwa akuja awe tegemeo ya hiyo boma na tegemeo ya jamii.
Askari pia tunamhurumia, mimi tunahurumia pia askari. Askari mwenye ako naye pale, raia ako na bunduki ya kushinda hiyo askari, ako na mabomu ya kushinda hiyo askari. Sasa kila mtu pale ni raia ndio anatawala, sio serikali. Kwa hivyo tunataka kusema kile president amri alitoa jana kwa wajumbe wa Marsabit, tunataka president aimize, kwa sababu wale anapiganisha huko hata angepewa nafasi, wale anahaya watu kutoka Ethiopia angepewa nafasi, serikali ingechukua hatua, kwa sababu watoto wetu sasa tunasema hawatatoka Samburu. Afadhali wakae Samburu, waelimishe watoto wa Samburu ama ya Laikipia.
As an MP of this area, on behalf of all the teachers who are working in Marsabit, I will take a petition on their behalf to Parliament so that we can look at that policy, because today it's him, tomorrow we'll be burying another one. And we just want to say this: sometimes the policies that government institutions come up with, we don't think through, especially with the different areas. Things are not the same across the country. There should be, as we look at those policies, there should be exemptions. The same way we fought for affirmative action. The same way we are now saying that for areas where there is no security, let the locals teach there. Because even our own children here, normally once others are employed here, they don't go to teach in those areas. They look for transfers. But for us, it has become almost impossible to get those children who are in those war-torn areas.
Indeed, that is why we wind up today's edition of Weekend at 1. My name is George Maringa. That's all we had time for right here on KTN News and KTN Home. But do stand by for